26 kilometers in a day. Mission accomplished. Yeah. I am hungry, and first thing I will do is to eat, and then we will see what we can do here. And this is the food. Let's enjoy. It just tastes so much better when you work hard and you find a very, very beautiful place to eat. So okay, so when I planned to do this cycle trip, I thought that I will do certain activities in this trip, and I thought that I will try to create a Wonder Woman logo. So I don't know how it is. I don't know what happened to my concentration level and my dedication. Beautiful signature that I can think of. So बैठ जाऊँ कोई बात ना, लेकिन थोड़ा खा पी रहे ना। हम हैं फरीदापुर के हैं, हमने नेट पर देखी ये जगह हमें थोड़ी अच्छी लगी तो आए गए। आप बात टाइम पे दिखाई रहे ना आपसे पूछ के ही आते। ठीक है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद भैया। तो I forgot to shoot or capture a video of the owner of the beautiful place. It's really lovely to meet them. When you do these kinds of things, at least for me, like these little things that I get to able, that I make myself do, really make myself proud and really belong to this whole universe. 14th of July, when Iga Swiatek won the Wimbledon Grand Slam, and I have been waiting to do this for 2 months. Finally, on this day of 31st August, I have come here. Time to do another contest that I was planning to do it on this beautiful park of Saro's Mango Park, and I thought that I will play a beautiful match of chess, and hopefully I don't make a big mess out of it, but let's see how it goes. Okay, I think I can capture back my pawn. Good thing. Okay, go for the rook. Sorry, go for the knight. Nicely balanced. Certainly not how I would have wanted to start, but still it is fine. I think I have made a decent move here. If things fall the way I can see, I should be in a good position. I really don't know why I did that. Like after he castled, I don't think I should have done that. But anyway, let's see. Oh my god. I think he's playing much better than me. Oh, he has a better rating than me, so obviously he's going to play better. Okay, I think I can save the match. He's for now, I can say. He's really aggressive, yeah. He's really aggressive. Okay, I think it is better to castle this way. Okay, if he allows me to capture this pawn, I must take a happy breath. I don't know. I think I have to do this. There was no other way. Like my bishop was shit. I fucked up my queen. Okay, go for the draw now. Hopefully there is no increment in this game. So if I can somehow save some time. I don't know. Like it has really... Okay, if I can somehow make... Like this was a bad move, but okay. There is a miracle, but okay, anyway. It is a free pawn, but I think I am dead. Like there is no way that I can save this game now. I can just hope. Okay. Like really bad game. He played better, right? Like even though I can make an excuse that I was setting up for the recording of the game, but still he played a lot better than me in the whole game. So yeah, better player wins. Come on, man, finish it. Like I really love if I can choose to be... Oh shit. Yep, gone. Bye. With the beautiful sunshine, I think my purple hair can be seen by you. I am definitely going to flaunt my purple hair because this is the first time I have colored my hair. So what better day and what better place I can do it than this amazing day and this beautiful park. Really, I don't know what to say. Like I could say a million things, but it is one of those days where everything looks so beautiful, and not just outside, just inside too. Like I feel like the same kind of love this place. Absolutely loved it. Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye beautiful Saroj Mango Park. Bye. Okay, so last week I saw some challenges accepted by some US officials, like in the army or the politics. They kind of did a 10-minute challenge where they were performing, like they were doing push-ups as many as possible in 10 minutes. So I kind of got an idea that I should basically restart certain exercises that I was already doing in the past this year, and more so because I planned for a certain trip, and I wanted to feel a bit more confident about my body. So I thought, let's do my own challenge of 100 push-ups a day for a week, where I can build some confidence and feel good about my body, so I can go on the trip and hopefully with better confidence that I could have initially got. So it was successful today. I did it,